All right, today we're jumping into a tool that is absolutely essential for anyone building an AI. We're talking about the Hugging Face Datasets library and how you can use it to finally tame that data beast. So, you've got it, right? That light bulb moment, that one brilliant idea for an AI app that you just know is going to be a game changer. You're fired up, you're ready to build, but then you hit that first and, let's be honest, biggest hurdle. And there it is, the data. It's often a total mess, right? It's disorganized, it's all over the place. Before you write a single line of model code, before you build anything cool, you have to face this challenge. It's kind of like the rite of passage for every AI builder out there. But here's the good news. You're not going into this fight alone. You've got a secret weapon, and it's the Datasets library. Seriously, this isn't just another tool on the pile. This is your key to turning all that data chaos into real creative power. So what is this thing exactly? Well, on paper, it's a high-performance library, but what it really does is give you the ability to load, process, and share absolutely massive datasets without pulling your hair out. We're talking audio, computer vision, NLP, the whole shebang. It's built from the ground up to be fast and just easy. To really get good with this library, all you need to do is master the flow of data. So think of this next part like your training montage, where you're going to rapidly pick up the 3 essential skills that are the foundation for everything else. And the whole workflow, it's this simple. First, you load your data, then you wrangle it, basically beating it into the shape you need, and finally, you format it so your machine learning models can actually understand it. Load, wrangle, format. That's it. That's the mantra. Let's talk about loading first. The flexibility here is just wow. It honestly doesn't matter where your data lives. Is it on the Hugging Face hub, your own laptop, some remote server at your company? Doesn't matter. You can pull it right into your project with a single line of code. Okay, next up, wrangling. This really just comes down to 2 powerhouse functions, map and filter. You'll use .map when you need to do something to every single example in your dataset, like tokenizing all your text. Then you've got .filter, which is for when you only want to keep the stuff that meets your criteria, like, say, getting rid of really short sentences. And the secret sauce here? It all runs on Apache Arrow in the background, which makes these operations ridiculously fast and memory efficient. You can literally process datasets bigger than your computer's RAM. It's wild. And finally, formatting. This is where it all just clicks. You know how different ML frameworks want their data in different formats? PyTorch wants tensors. Others want NumPy arrays, or maybe you need a Pandas data frame. Instead of fighting with all these manual conversions, you just use one simple command, set format, and boom, you can switch between them instantly. Okay, deep breath. You've just mastered the entire core workflow. Loading, wrangling, formatting, you got this. Now, let's make a little shift in our thinking. We're going to go from being a data user to a data creator and unlock some really advanced stuff. And this is a really important shift. With what you know now, you're not just downloading datasets that other people made. You are fully equipped to be a builder. You can create and contribute new things to the ecosystem. So what do these new superpowers actually look like? Well, here are 2 huge ones. First, you can now clean up and share your own unique dataset on the hub for the whole world to use. And second, you can build some seriously advanced applications like a powerful semantic search engine completely from scratch. Building that search engine, it sounds really complex, I know, but it's not as scary as it seems. It's basically a 2-step process. First, embedding. You use a transformer model to turn all your text into these numerical fingerprints called vectors. This is how the computer learns what the text means beyond just keywords. Then, step 2 is indexing. You feed all those vectors into a super fast library like FAISS, and it builds a searchable map of all those meanings. That's literally it. You've just built a system that searches by concept. So, look at how far you've come. You can load data from anywhere, shape it with total precision, and even build incredible applications. This isn't the end. This is the starting line of your journey as a creator. The question isn't how anymore, it's what. What are you going to build? And hey, seriously, congratulations for making it this far. You now have that core knowledge to take everything we've talked about and actually put it to good use, to turn that spark of an idea into something real. So we'll end on this thought. Your training quest is complete. You've stared down the data beast, and you've walked away with a whole new set of powerful tools. So the only question left to ask is, what's the first thing you're going to build?